Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have seen the structure of neuron in detail. So, define neuron. S. It's the structural and functional unit of nervous system. What are the basic parts of neuron? S. Cyton, axon and dendron. And today in this video, we are going to see the types of neurons. So the neurons are of different types. Based on the structure, neurons are of three types. The one is unipolar. Unipolar neurons. So uni means what? Single, isn't it? So here only one nerve process. So in unipolar neuron there is only one nerve process, that is it arises from the cyton, and this cyton it acts as both axon and dendron. So when you are taking this unipolar neuron, it is having only one nerve process. So here you see so this is the cyton. It is acting as both axon and dendron. And coming to the function of this unipolar neuron, it is found in the embryonic tissue. So this unipolar neurons are found in the embryonic tissue. And the second one is bipolar neurons. So bipolar neuron. So here it is having two nerve process. So this cyton, it is acting as both axon and dendron. So bipolar neuron, it is having two nerve process. Bipolar neuron. So bi means two. So here the cyton, it give rise to two nerve process. So which here one axis axon and one axis dendron. Coming to the function, it is found in the retina of the eye. So this bipolar neurons, they are found in the retina of the eye, and also it is seen in the olfactory epithelium of nasal chamber. So olfactory epithelium, that is responsible for receiving the smell. So this bipolar neurons, they are found in the retina of the eye, and also it is seen in the olfactory epithelium of nasal chamber. And the last one is multipolar neuron. Multipolar neuron. So multi means many. So here this multipolar neurons, it is having many processes. So the cyton, it is giving rise to many dendrites, and there is an axon. So that's coming under multipolar neurons. So cyton, it gives rise to many dendrons and an axon. The function is, it is found in cerebral cortex of brain. So when you are taking the types of neurons, it's of three types: unipolar neuron, bipolar neuron and multipolar neuron. So this unipolar neuron, it is seen in the embryonic tissue. Then bipolar, it is seen in the retina of the eye and also in the olfactory epithelium of nasal chamber. Multipolar neuron, it is seen in the cerebral cortex of brain. The next, types of neuron based on function. So based on function, neurons are of three types. So one is sensory neuron. Sensory neuron, motor neuron, and association neuron. So based on function, the neurons are classified into three: sensory neuron, motor neuron, and association neuron. Now the sensory neuron, it is also said to be afferent neurons. It's also said to be afferent neuron. So sensory neuron, it is also said to be afferent neurons. So here they are carrying impulses from the sense organs to central nervous system. So they are carrying the impulse. So they are carrying the impulses from sense organs. Sense organs to central nervous system. So central nervous system, it constitutes brain and spinal cord. So here, for example, if somebody is pinching you, that pain, that is the impulse, it is taken by the sense organs. That impulse is taken by the neurons to the brain. So that is coming under sensory neuron. So somebody is, if somebody is pinching, that pain, it is taken by the neuron to the brain. That is called a sensory neuron. Now coming to the next, motor neuron. So motor neuron, which carries impulse from central nervous system to effector organ. So here it is carrying the impulse from central nervous system to effector organ. Effector organ. So see, here I said, when somebody is pinching, that impulse is taken to the central nervous system, isn't it? Now the brain, in the brain, interpretation is going on, and the brain, it is giving the command that somebody has pinched you and that place is paining. So that is coming under motor neuron. So motor neuron means what? The brain, it is giving the commands to the effector organ. So effector organ means the place where something has happened. So in the hand, if somebody is pinching, means the hand, the muscle, that's the effector organ. Effector organ. The next one, association neuron. So association neuron means it conducts impulses between sensory and motor neurons. So this association neuron, it is also said to be relay neuron. Relay neuron. This motor neuron, it is said to be efferent neuron. So based on the functions, the neurons are of three types. They are sensory, motor, and association neurons. So in sensory neuron, the sensory neuron, it is also said to be afferent neuron. Here the impulse, it's taken by the sense organs to the central nervous system. The central nervous system is the brain or spinal cord. So it's the brain or spinal cord. That's the central nervous system. Now motor neurons. So in motor neurons, the impulse from the central nervous system is taken to the effector organ. Next, association neuron. So association neuron means it conducts impulse between sensory and motor neurons. So today we have seen the types of neurons based on structure and function. So based on structure, we have seen there are three types. They are unipolar, bipolar, and multipolar neurons. And based on function, the neurons are of three types. They are sensory neuron, motor neuron and association neuron. And I hope you all might have understood. And you study these types of neurons based on structure and function as homework. It's very, very important.